So a couple days ago, Fuji X Weekly just released 8 new video recipes on their website. And this is pretty huge. Video recipes haven't really been talked about a whole lot, and this is the first time we're seeing video recipes on the website, and I'm very excited about it. I watched some of the sample footage and I put a bunch of these into my camera over the weekend. So in this video, we're going to take a look at some sample footage that I shot at a Cars and Coffee over the weekend, but I already have a few favorites. Some of the recipes on here aren't really my style, and I don't think I would use them, but you have 8 to choose from, so you're bound to find something you like. Now, why would you want to use this? Well, here's the thing. My editing workflow goes like this. Whether I'm shooting a wedding or real estate, I'm mostly shooting in F-Log2 or F-Log2C sometimes, and then taking that footage into Final Cut Pro, color grading it with Phantom LUTs. But for some projects, if you have like a fast turnaround time or you're using it for social media, being able to shoot something straight out of the camera that looks good, has a distinct style, is very useful and very efficient. And that's why I love the versatility of having the option to shoot video in both ways. These recipes are more finely tuned for video. You can try them for photos, but your results may vary. So just keep that in mind. All this footage is not color graded. I did not do anything. I just took it off the memory card. They were recorded straight from my X-T5. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're a Fujifilm video shooter, seriously check these out. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. And with that being said, let's get into the video, and I will see you guys next time.